Here's how to change your language setting in Remember the Milk. So to change your language setting on Remember the Milk is really simple. Go on up to the top right corner, you'll find a gear icon, click on that, go down to account settings, click on that, and then it's actually on this first page hidden. You just gotta scroll down and the language is right here, and you can pick from these options. Not unlimited, but you got some options here. And that's how to change the language on RTM. Thanks for checking out this video. If you'd like to download my free Remember the Milk cheat sheet, the link is in the description below.